Colonel, sir. Colonel? Colonel?
What? Who goes there?
Sergeant Tibbs reporting, sir.
Tibbs? Oh, yes, Sergeant Tibbs.
Colonel, sir.
Now, look here, Tibbs. What's the idea of barging in at this hour of the night?
But, Colonel...
Hold on, Sergeant. You hear that? Sounds like an alert.
Yes, Colonel.
Well, we better look into it. Come along, Tibbs, on the double.
Yes, sir. Righto, sir.
Great Smurfs! Corey's piggy bank is gone.
What's the problem?
Who smurfed the bell? Hurry, my little Smurfs. Corey's been robbed, and we must wake her up.
Huh? Yeah, you're gonna need loads of cement for the new Bubbling Bay Promenade. You want to help track down the thief, Garfield?
Hey, going through life with a blue lampshade is work enough. Wake me when the lasagna comes.
Let me rephrase that. Do you want to help, or do you want to be lunch?
Listen! Take a look at me! What am I?
Simon, let's help catch the thief! An excellent opportunity to be of service. But where's Alvin? Alvin! Busy! There's someone who needs your help! What? Another autograph hound? Come on! Hey! Wait a minute! Put me down!
Steady, my little Smurfs! Steady!
Oh my goodness! I'm not late for breakfast, am I?
Oh, Pooh, it's perfectly obvious we're trying to wake Corey up, but we're not trying hard enough. Come on down there, you're not pushing.
Think. Perhaps if we wake up Kermit, Kermit will wake up Corey.
Sheesh, I hate when that happens.
Huh? Why did I set the alarm on a Saturday?